Jackson.
I'm John.
This is a good first meet for us. I got 17:30. My PR last year was 18:59, so it was a good start for me.
I got 18:20 something. That was my PR too.
Yeah, it feels really good to get to this spot after pushing it. Like after all this time, just take some weight off your shoulders. You just feel like wow, I really accomplished something. And it just feels good looking at my time at the end.
Talk a little bit about the course and what you guys liked about it.
It was really flat. Like I've never seen a course that flat, but like it had its challenges, but it felt good going on track repeats. It felt great.
It was easier than like most of the other meets, so there's really not that many hills. Just a little bit. Just some of the curves was that was only a hard part, but it's pretty flat, which made it pretty easy course.
Talk a little bit about how the weather played a factor for you guys today.
Oh, it's beautiful weather. This is the perfect running weather. Like you hope you get this at like districts or whatever.
Yeah, so you really can't complain because it's not really going to get any colder than this.
Yeah, so it's perfect. Like not too cold.
Yeah.
And then one last question. Talk a little bit about the goals that you guys have individually and realistically for the team.
For the team, I think we can improve. We got a younger group. Like we've been together for a while now. Like we got a bunch of younger guys that now we're juniors and seniors, and we hope to push it hard in districts.
Yeah, and my goal time for this year was 17:30, and the fact I just got that feels pretty good. I just hope to improve on from that throughout the season, and for the rest of the guys, hope they improve too.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.